guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm a little bit late to this, but I only just picked up the Yeezy 350 V2s in the True Form colorway. Now this dropped about a week and a half ago and it dropped the same time as the Hyperspace. Now I've actually done a full video about these, so if you guys are interested you can go to my channel to check it out, or I'll link it down below as well so you can watch it. But the True Form is the Europe exclusive colorway. Now I had to pay resale for this because I live in Australia. We did not get this colorway and I picked it up from SDW. Now this is not sponsored by them, I just like shopping there, and now that I have them in person I feel like they're such a nice colorway. Now initially when I saw the Hyperspace, I think in that video I did mention that I really wanted a True Form, so when I heard that SDW started stocking them I was like, I need a pair, so I picked them up and I thought I'll give you guys a quick comparison and show you guys what they look like. Even though there's already been a few videos about these, I just wanted to do a video about them anyway because, as you guys know, I am quite a Yeezy fan. So when you compare them next to each other, you can see that they're obviously very different. The Hyperspace is a lot lighter compared to the True Form, and because of that I feel like I'll wear these a lot more. They'll be a little bit easier to maintain in terms of keeping them clean and keeping them looking as fresh as possible. Now with the True Forms, because they're such a light colorway, I need to be a lot more careful when I wear them. Also, when I first saw images of these, I thought they might be too similar to the Sesame colorway, which is this one over here. Now that I'm seeing them in person, they don't look that similar. Obviously, the Sesame is a lot lighter and it's more of a beigey gray color, whereas the True Form is a cool tone gray. And I like how they've included accents of color, so you can see that there is a peach heel tab as well as the midsole that is sort of a very light kind of peachy colorway to match the translucent stripe. And what I think they've done differently as well is the midsole. They've used sort of like a translucent material. There's sort of like a gradient effect, and then with the outsole they've used sort of like a light gray outsole compared to the Hyperspace, which is a lighter kind of gum color. I feel like I would get a lot of wear out of these. I really do like the color combination, and what I've noticed as well, when you look at the translucent stripe on the side of the sneaker, I find that for some reason it is not as like, I feel like the one on the Hyperspace is almost more translucent compared to the True Form. And then also another thing I've noticed is that if you look at the toe box area, you can see on the Hyperspace, you can see this polka dot texture over here. Now this is because of the interfacing that they've used on the inside of the sneaker to give a little bit more structure to the sneaker. And because they've used a white one, you can see it a lot clearer compared to the True Form, where they've actually used sort of a lighter gray to match the prime knit material over here, so it's not as obvious, which is a detail that I really like. But you still do get that slight translucent section on the midsection over here. So if you do wear a slightly darker toned socks, you can see a slight difference over here, but it's a lot more obvious with the Hyperspace colorway, where the translucent stripe here just looks a lot more prominent. But yeah, I still do like these though, and in terms of sizing, I find that these fit a little bit small, so I'm usually a men's US 6, but in these I wear a men's US 6.5. Now if you guys have any trouble with Yeezy sizing, I've actually done a full video about Yeezy sizing. If you only know your women's sizes, what is your men's size? Because all Yeezys are sized in men's sizing. So I'll link that video down below as well so you guys can figure out what your size is. But for these ones in particular, I feel like with all the Yeezys with the translucent stripe, I feel like they fit a little bit small, so I'll go half a size up. But with the older V2s, I find that these fit even more snug. So usually I go like one full size up, but with these ones, I go half a size up. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, you can also leave it down below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, overall, I think it is a really nice colorway. Why am I holding these Sesames? So if I had to pick between the two colorways, I would definitely go for the True Form. I think it is such a good color combination, and because it is a darker colorway, I feel like I would get a lot more wear better out of them compared to the Hyperspace. I have not seen the clays in person though. They did just drop a few days ago, and I'm still deciding if I should pick up a pair. I heard that they look better in person, so I might try and get a pair if the resale isn't too high. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a quick comparison and what I thought about this colorway, and overall I do love them. I'm really happy that I picked up a pair. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite colorway and which ones you managed to pick up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you guys follow Yeezy Mafia, they just posted a photo a few days ago that they will be releasing a 700 V2s in an all black colorway. I think that looks really good, and I'm really looking forward to that drop. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I will be doing a video about them, and also the 700 V1s in the analog when they do come out. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out when I post a video. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye! By the way, guys, I will be going to the States at the end of the month. So I'm going to LA, New York, and Philadelphia because my brother lives there. So if you have any recommendations, like places I need to go, food I need to eat, like anything at all, can you let me know in the comments below? I've never been to the States before, so I'm super excited. And if you guys are down for a collab, hit me up as well. You can DM me on Instagram, which is just @monsieurbanana. I can just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, bye. The True From and the True Form was the colorway that dropped in Europe, Russia, and Ukraine. Is that right? Talking about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Bitch, this is not Hyperspace!